Good news. There's foods that can kill cancer stem cells.
Meet Dr. William Li. He is a renowned physician, scientist, and best-selling author known worldwide for showing how food can work like medicine. His research reveals how foods can fight disease, repair the body, and even slow aging and fight cancer.
In my book, Eat to Beat Disease, I got it right here. Check it out. If you haven't read it, I strongly recommend it. Eat to Beat Disease. It's got a lot of stuff in here about food doses and all the different kinds of foods that can activate your health defenses to fight cancer. There's whole sections about cancer-fighting foods in there.
To understand why Dr. Li's research matters, you need to understand cancer stem cells. For decades, cancer research had one target: the tumor, the part we could see, the part we could scan, biopsy, attack. But over the last 20 years, scientists found something hiding underneath: a tiny population of cells, quiet, patient, in control. Scientists call them cancer stem cells. Think of them as the master cells, the ones running the whole operation from the shadows. Here's what they can do: self-renew. They don't just sit there, they make more cancer. Resist treatment. Chemo and radiation barely touch them. Go dormant. They can sleep for years, then wake up. Spread the disease. They're often the ones driving metastasis. Cause relapse. Even after a patient is told, you're cancer-free. So picture a tumor like a plant. The cells you can see: branches, leaves. Cut them down all you want. Cancer stem cells are the roots. And if you don't kill the roots, the plant grows back. Now let's discuss foods. Number 1. Blueberries.
Blueberries. All right, a couple blueberries will pop up your immune defenses so that you're more able to actually beat cancer.
Let's start small. Literally, blueberries. They look like nothing. A handful of tiny, dark berries. But inside, serious immune-boosting power. They're loaded with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and anthocyanins. Those compounds do real work. They calm inflammation. They protect your cells from free radical damage. They keep your immune system operating at full strength. But here's the part that gets interesting. Studies suggest the polyphenols in blueberries may do something more. They can interfere with cancer stem cells, slowing their growth, in some cases, triggering their natural breakdown. So blueberries aren't just supporting repair. They may be helping your body push back, at the cellular level, against the very cells that drive relapse. Which means that tiny, tasty berry, it's not just a snack, it's a daily act of defense. Number 2. Tree nuts.
Tree nuts, like walnuts, can be really helpful. We know that a strong immune system can wipe out cancer cells too. So what are some immune boosting foods that you can eat to beat cancer?
Next up, walnuts. Of all the nuts out there, walnuts are some of the most studied, especially when it comes to colon and breast cancer. Here's why. They contain a powerful mix: omega-3 fatty acids, ellagic acid, polyphenols, and antioxidants. Together, they support your body's natural defenses. Lab studies suggest walnut compounds may influence cancer stem cell behavior in a few key ways: reducing inflammation, slowing cell proliferation, and disrupting the pathways cancer stem cells rely on to survive and self-renew. One compound stands out: ellagic acid. Once digested, it converts into something called urolithins. And urolithins are impressive. They help protect your DNA. They reduce oxidative stress. And they support healthy gut bacteria, which plays a major role in colon health specifically. Now, to be clear, walnuts are not a cure. But eaten regularly, as part of a balanced plant-rich diet, they may help create an internal environment that's simply less hospitable to cancer stem cell activity. So let's zoom out for a second. Why does any of this matter? Because immune-boosting foods work by strengthening the systems that detect and eliminate abnormal cells before they become a problem. A strong immune system activates key players: natural killer cells, T cells, macrophages. These are your body's surveillance system, constantly scanning, constantly hunting. Their job? Recognize abnormal cells early and destroy them before they have the chance to grow, adapt, or spread. Number 3. Purple potatoes.
Purple potatoes, all right, the anthocyanins that make purple potatoes purple kills colon cancer stem cells.
Purple potatoes get their vibrant color from powerful plant compounds called anthocyanins, the same natural antioxidants that give blueberries their deep purple-blue hue. Scientists have been studying these compounds for their potential anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-angiogenic properties, which may help support the body's natural defenses. Number 4. Green tea and coffee.
Green tea kills cancer stem cells. So does coffee. Get your morning Joe, all right? That's actually good for cancer fighting.
Green tea and coffee are rich in natural compounds that scientists have studied for their potential effects on cancer stem cell pathways. Green tea contains EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that laboratory studies suggest may interfere with survival signals used by cancer stem cells while helping protect healthy cells from oxidative damage. Coffee provides beneficial compounds such as chlorogenic acids, cafestol, and caviol, which have shown antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Early research suggests they may help reduce cancer stem cell activity and support the body's natural immune and detoxification processes. Number 5. Broccoli sprouts.
Broccoli sprouts, these are the 3 to 4-day-old little baby broccolis. They powerfully stimulate your immune system.
Broccoli sprouts, especially when they're just 3 to 4 days old, are one of the richest sources of sulforaphane, a natural compound known for its powerful health benefits. Sulforaphane helps activate the body's natural defense systems, supports detoxification, and reduces inflammation, helping keep cells healthy.
By the way, as I'm going to say it again, this is not a substitute for cancer therapy, medical therapy. This is actually to augment your own bodies. You know, Tony Stark, Iron Man, you augment yourself to actually, have that shield, that suit that can be helpful. That's what you're doing when you're eating foods to boost your immune system. Let the doctor give you your sick care when you're at the infusion clinic or in a medical center. You go home, that's health care. Now you're actually boosting your own health defenses. So remember, food is not a substitute. Food is not a cure, but it is a tool, a vital tool in the toolbox. And every cancer patient needs to have a good oncologist to be able to give them the best comprehensive care.